science fans.
That's a different
Hello.
approach. Sheldon has a new home.
Yes, we've got Sheldon a little cup to sit in. We're back. We're
Yes.
back with another experiment from the slime lab.
By gals.
And I have to say, so far, they've got top marks on the messiness scale.
Yes, but it's also very fun.
And I don't think this one's going to be any different, which is why we've got more newspaper, because this one has another mess warning.
Yes.
All right? So this is make your own putty.
Putty? What's the difference between putty and
I
slime?
don't know, so we're going to find out. All right? So it says for this one you need red, make your own putty powder and pot.
It's pink.
Okay. You need a mixing stick. And you need some warm water.
Do you think this one's going to be as stinky as the other one?
Oh, I don't know. They have been a bit stinky, haven't they? So it says, open your sachet of powder.
Why does it say sachet?
Well, because that's a sachet.
Okay.
And pour it into the pot.
Okay.
So
I shall
have
do
some
the pouring.
trusty scissors.
And you have a
It says,
trusty...
do not eat or swallow. So
They also do not eat or swallow.
cut. Try and get it in the pot.
I always do. Kind of.
Famous last words.
Is that all of it?
It's pretty close.
Stinks again.
Is it nasty again?
Wait.
Hang on. Stop. There we go.
Do you want to smell it? It's a little bit nasty.
Nasty. Right, it says, add water until the pot is half full.
Okay.
Stir the mixture slowly with your mixing stick and watch it become gloopy.
Okay, tell me when it's half full. Do keep going, keep going.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Tiny bit more. Stop.
Okay.
Right, give it a mix.
Almost not that over. This is liquidy. Need to mix. Apples and bananas. I don't know why I said that.
Would you like me to do it?
Yes.
So we're going to mix it until it goes gloopy. Ooh.
Oh,
So I'm making more mess than you.
Ha, should I do it? Mom, let me do
No, it's
it.
because there's like a little lip in the...
Come, let me do it. You're wasting all the putty juice.
Okay,
Shall I mix it?
yeah. So it says, mix it. And then, just like the slime, leave it for approximately 5 minutes to thicken. So shall I...
Ooh.
Oh, is it properly gloopy?
No, it's not as sticky as the last one. It's a little bit more.
So it
whippy.
says...
I'm gonna mix it.
give it a mix, yeah.
Ooh.
So it says, take it out of the pot, pull it, squeeze it, roll it and stretch it. So
Let me try.
try not to get it all
Okay.
over the paper this time.
Because we don't have a lot of this one.
No, it could be...
It's so
that it
warm. It's
yeah.
just like the slime.
So when it cools down, it gets...
This isn't even... I mean, it's slimy, but like... I should have mixed it for longer. It's
No,
so
I think-
slimy. Look at me.
So roll it in a ball.
It doesn't work at the first bit. Oh, slimy. Ew, slimy. Slimy. Wait.
Give it to me.
Wait, I'm putting all the slime off my hands. Oh, it's
Fair
nice
enough.
and
You do
warm.
make the biggest messes ever.
It's warm. It's very
Is it
warm
warm?
and nice.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's very warm.
Right, let's cool it down a bit.
Want some slimy? Slime.
I mean, it's not as gloopy as the last one
Are you
because
sure?
it took ages for it to get like this.
Slime. Slimy.
So anyway, can you think why this one is less slimy than the other one?
No, I can't think why. It's a different powder.
I think it was the same powder.
How is it different?
Well,
'Cause
how
we
much
didn't
water
have-
did we put in?
Half.
Not
as much.
So
Can I try?
if you remember with the last one we said, the Guar gum,
The Guar.
we had more water than powder.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
it was more like a liquid than a solid.
Oh yeah.
Remember? This one
Half.
had half the water, so it's still gloopy, but it's not as gloopy. And
Yeah.
I suspect as it gets colder, it's going to get
gloopy.
less gloopy.
I still don't see the difference between putty and slime, just apart from the fact there's less water.
Well, that is the difference.
Not very much difference. It doesn't really
Well,
feel...
do you want to compare it to the slime we made?
We should do that at the end.
You want to do that at the end?
Series, kind of.
So here's the slime. I mean, they might be quite similar now, because that's still cooling down. But how stretchy is that?
Okay, Mum, I've got an idea.
Wait, how stretchy is that?
Not very stretchy.
And this is more stretchy.
True. I've got an idea.
What?
So this is a feeling challenge.
Okay.
You put the slime in this
Don't
side.
mix them together.
I'll show now. Yes, they feel different.
Do they? Let me try.
They feel different.
Yeah, this one's more elasticy.
Yes.
This one's more, I don't know, how would you describe that?
Gummy.
Gummy. So anyway, that is make your own putty.
Very cool.
So
I like slime.
I know you do. So
Right.
what do you think? Let me try. What do you think of this one? What would you score
like
it? It's
it.
definitely not as
I'm going to
gloopy.
score
Look, it's
it
more
a 9.
breakable. 9.
9 because it's less mess, but not a 10 because it's not very stretchy.
Okay, but it is not supposed to be. It's putty.
I know, but it's just a choice. Like,
Okay. So you're going to give it a 9. I'm going to give it a... It's definitely different. Look, it's not as stretchy.
I know. Can I try?
I'm going to give it a 9 too, I think, because it's
Yeah.
simple.
Nice.
It's slime, and all kids love slime.
Yes, including me.
And it didn't make as much mess. That
Yeah,
time.
now I'm seeing that it's definitely a different way.
Well, let's do that another time. So okay, so a 9.
Yes.
So the make your own putty gets a 9, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, can I take half each? Half each.
Well, I don't know if there's enough to do half each, is there? So there we go, science fans. So make your own putty gets a 9.
Nice, messy.
We've been having lots of fun making different types of slime with the Slime Lab
Yes, we're slime experts from Galt.
from Galt. If you like what we're doing, go and check out our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie and the slime.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Wait, it's a patty.
Nice. See you next time, science fans.
Bye. Bye, yummy patty.